In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tradier Futures in Tradingview. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account in your web browser. Once you're in, go straight to the main charting interface. You can do this by clicking on Chart from the top menu. This is the area where you normally analyze markets, add indicators, and draw on your charts, and it's also where you'll connect your broker. When your chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. If you don't see it right away, it's usually in a collapsible section below your chart. Click on Trading Panel to expand it. This panel is where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers and paper trading options that you can connect to your account. Once the trading panel is open, you may only see a handful of brokers at first. To view the complete list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This is important because Tradier Futures might not appear in the initial shortened list. By expanding this list, you're telling Tradingview to display every available integration. After you've clicked Show All Brokers, you'll see a grid or list of different broker logos and names. Take a moment to scroll through this list and look for Tradier Futures specifically. The brokers can sometimes be grouped or ordered differently, depending on your region or previous connections. So don't worry if it's not at the top. Just scroll until you clearly see Tradier Futures in that list. Once you've located Tradier Futures, click on it. This will bring up the connection window where Tradingview and Tradier can talk to each other. Here, you'll typically see a button like Connect or Continue. Go ahead and click that to start the connection process. At this point, Tradingview will either open a new window or a pop-up that takes you to the Tradier login or authorization page. Follow the prompts there to authorize Tradingview to access your Tradier Futures account. Make sure you carefully review any permissions and confirm that you're connecting the correct account. When the authorization is complete, Tradingview will link your charts to Tradier Futures. You should now see Tradier Futures listed as your active broker in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place futures trades directly from your Tradingview charts using that connection.